Many believe immersion blenders lack true power, but is that really the case for modern models? I'm a culinary appliance specialist with years of testing experience. Home cooks often struggle with chunky soups and tough smoothies. Traditional blenders are bulky, hard to clean, and limit multitasking. What if you could blend effortlessly, right in any container? Introducing the Vitamix 5 Speed Immersion Blender 3-piece bundle. This handheld blender packs a powerful 625-watt motor. It tackles tough ingredients: nuts, frozen fruits, fibrous veggies. The 5-speed control lets you create perfect textures every time. From creamy soups to chunky salsa, precision is at your fingertips. Its 4-pronged blade ensures consistent, smooth blending results. One-handed operation means you can add ingredients while blending, left or right-handed. It's designed for everyone. No more juggling heavy pitchers or awkward pouring. Blend directly in your favorite smoothie cup or mason jar. Fits any container with a 3-inch wide opening or larger. Versatility is key. Whisk attachment included for baking needs. Whipped cream, beat eggs, or mixed batter, all with one tool. The storage case keeps everything organized and easy to access. No cluttered drawers or lost attachments, just grab and go. Let's see it in action. Blending a tough green smoothie, whole kale, frozen berries, and no, nuts. Watch how smoothly it blends. No chunks, no struggle, just a perfectly smooth drink. Now, let's switch to the whisk for fluffy whipped cream. Quick, even results with minimal effort and mess. Cleanup is simple. Rinse the attachments and store them away. Busy families love the convenience and speed. Smoothie enthusiasts appreciate the power and precision. Home cooks enjoy blending soups right in the pot. No need to transfer hot liquids or risk spills. The 5-foot cord gives you flexibility to move around your kitchen. Vitamix quality means durability and reliable performance. Why settle for less when you can have professional results? Upgrade your kitchen with this versatile, powerful tool. Perfect for everyday meals, snacks, and treats. Everything you need: blender, whisk, and storage case included. Say goodbye to bulky appliances and complicated setups. Experience effortless blending and whisking at home. Ready to transform your kitchen routine? Try the Vitamix 5-speed Immersion Blender 3-piece bundle today. Click now to discover more and elevate your cooking experience.